I'm not sure if I'm going to continue. I don't know if I'm going to start posting updates about this, but I figured if I do post updates, the first video should probably come out sooner than later, or at least I should have it recorded sooner than later. I went to Anime North over the weekend and I got a butterfly knife trainer. This is not a real blade. I don't think they're legal in Canada, so this is just a flat piece here. This isn't an actual blade. The actual thing didn't come with this tape here. I just put that on because there used to be a latch, and I was looking online. It was saying that latches kind of throw off the weight, so I removed the latch, but I added some tape just so I know where the bite handle is, or like bite handle in this case, because this thing is symmetrical, so both will bite. But yeah, I've been trying to learn a few tricks. I learned, of course, the standard opener, and then the quick draw. That one's a bit awkward for me. I guess I just don't really have the, well, no, I have the dexterity for it. It just feels a bit weird because I hit my hand sometimes, as well as thumb roll over. Ooh, that one's not working. Thumb roll over. I know there's the Y2K and the Zen rollover. Still not extremely familiar. I think the Zen rollover, you start with the bite handle, you start with the bite handle and go around, and then, oh, no, Y2K is where you start with the bite handle and you go over. Obviously, I still have some practice that I need. And then the Zen rollover is horizontal, starting with the safe handle, and you want to do a wrist pass so that you don't cut yourself on the bite handle as it comes towards you. I also was learning how to do the chaplain. That one's a bit of a, oh, actually I kind of got it there. It definitely takes some getting used to, especially with the quality of this one. This one was like $30 at like a stand at the convention, so it's like, I guess not really the best quality, but it is my first one, so fuck it. Yeah, I've been looking at a couple of videos trying to get familiar with like the terminology of these different things, as well as just like how to properly take care of this. This is a washer Balisong. I saw some things saying that for washers you should use a dry lube. And then also like either Loctite or Teflon tape for the screws. I put some Teflon tape in here. I have no idea if it helps. And then, yeah, then I got a screwdriver just to actually maintenance for this. Yeah, I don't really know if I have anything else to say aside from I'm trying to learn a few tricks and maybe some combos, and maybe I'll post some updates in the future with my progress. I've got the thumb rollover into index rollover. I thought I had it pretty decently, but apparently not. Yeah, I guess smoothness over speed You want to get the flow properly, and clearly I don't have that down yet. But, you know, practice makes perfect. Practice makes several cuts if you have a real thing. So, you know, trainers. Oh yeah, I was learning the twirl. That was one of the, it was like a loop move. Still not the best with that one, because you do the chaplain. I have some familiarity with like finger passes and stuff from doing pen spinning for a bit in high school, and I guess also a bit in university, but that was kind of just like, I wasn't as interested in it in university. Is there anything else? Oh yeah, the behind the 8 ball. That was one of the things that I was trying to learn. I got the first 2 rollovers pretty consistently, I would say, but getting into like connecting that to the Zen rollover is a bit of a, more than a bit of a challenge. But yeah, I guess that's kind of it. If I decide to keep on going with this, maybe I'll like pick up a new trainer every time I go to a convention, or like every once in a while. We'll see where this takes us, I guess, and if this even goes anywhere, because I don't even know if I'm gonna post this video yet. But yeah, let's, for these last like 1-2 minutes, let's see if I can hit the behind the 8 ball. So you open, you go 0 gravity chaplain, thumb chaplain into a Zen roll over is what I believe the trick is. So you open between fingers 1 and 2, 0 gravity into a thumb chaplain, and you want to, I guess, like switch grips, because it goes around your thumb like this, and you want to switch it to go around your thumb for the Zen roll over, and then the wrist pass. So from closing, holding the safe handle, bite handle up between 2 and 3, thumb chaplain complete, and from here you want to do that roll, the like grip switch from like knife facing inwards to knife facing outwards, so that you can get the Zen roll over completed. Not quite. If I could get that a bit more smoothly, that might actually be it. Hold on. All right. This video is much longer than I anticipated. All right, 3 more attempts. Attempt 1. Attempt 2. Attempt 2. Zero G, thumb chaplain, roll over, wrist pass. Attempt 3. See you next time.